Hello everyone, YouTube, whatever, whoever. This is my new to me 1990 KTM 300 EXC. Freaking trucks always driving by here. This is pretty much how I bought her. Cleaned her up, tightened the chains, small maintenance like that, changed the oil, changed the gas, all that simple stuff. Runs nice. She's plenty powerful. Scary. Plenty scary actually. But let's make her run. I don't want to keep this video too long like my other ones. Alright. She has a few exhaust leaks I need to address, but besides that, she's nice.